Okay, so today, when you get done with PowerPoint 1 Module 1 Samtext Project 1 and PowerPoint Module 1 Samtext Project 2, you will start PowerPoint Module 1 SAM Project 1. Difference is these two are out of the book where you have to use the book up here to finish them. This one, when you click on it, and then you start it, you will actually have instructions to download. So you'll want to download the instructions and then download all the files. You would want to have your instructions on one half of your screen. So here are my instructions so that you can kind of have a understand it. The main thing is when you have your file, when you download this file, you will need to make sure you change the 1 to 2. So same thing as the file name, just like we always do. The instructions do tell you to do that right here. And you will go down, you'll also need the other files, it says. And you'll just do the steps as it tells you, just like you do in your book. It gives you some pictures. Now the nice thing is at the very, very end, before you upload it, it will show you exactly what it's going to look like. So make sure you check that before you upload it. And once again, you get 3 tries on this as well. If you use all 3 tries without making 100, I will help you on Monday. All right, see you guys Monday.